So real estate's been considered a viable investment option for many years. The prospect of owning property and earning income from it, it's attracted investors from all walks of life. But is real estate a good investment? Now, my name's Rock Daniels, and I am the Bluegrass Realtor, and I'm here to answer that question for you. But first, be sure to hit that subscribe button so you can receive future videos. Now, the answer is, as with most investment options, it's not that straightforward. So there are many factors to consider when determining whether or not real estate is a good investment for you. Now, one of the primary reasons people invest in real estate is for the potential to earn rental income. Now, owning a property and renting it out can provide a steady stream of income for investors. However, it's important to note that not all rental properties are created equal. All right, so the location of the property, the condition of the property, and the rental demand in the area all play a significant role in determining the potential rental income. Now, investing in a property in a desirable location with high rental demand can provide a significant return on the investment. Now, another potential benefit of investing in real estate is the opportunity for capital appreciation. Now, real estate values tend to appreciate over time, meaning the property you purchase today could be worth significantly more in the future. However, it's important to note that real estate values are subject to fluctuations and can go down as well as going up. So investors should be careful and consider the potential for appreciation when evaluating a real estate investment. All right? The real estate investments also offer some tax benefits. Now, rental income is typically taxed at a lower rate than other forms of income, and investors can take advantage of these deductions for expenses such as mortgage interest, property taxes, and maintenance costs. Now, additionally, real estate investments can be used as a hedge against inflation. As the value of money decreases over time, the value of real estate tends to increase. Now, one potential downside of investing in real estate is the high upfront costs. Now, real estate investments, they typically require a significant amount of capital, whether it's through a down payment on the property or through an investment through a real estate investment trust, which is a REIT. All right. So additionally, owning a rental property comes with ongoing expenses such as maintenance costs and property taxes. So real estate investments, they also require a significant amount of research and due diligence. So investors need to carefully evaluate the potential rental income, property value appreciation, and expenses associated with owning a property well in advance. Now, additionally, owning a rental property comes with the responsibility of finding and managing tenants, dealing with maintenance and repairs, and complying with local laws and regulations. Now, another potential downside of investing in real estate is the lack of liquidity. Now, real estate investments are not as easily sold as other investment options, such as stocks and maybe like bonds. So if an investor needs to sell a property quickly, they may have to sell at a lower price than they would prefer. Now, finally, investing in real estate comes with risks. There are potentials for the property to lose value and for a rental income to decrease. So investors need to carefully evaluate the potential risks and the rewards of any real estate investment opportunity. So in summary, real estate can be a great investment for those who are willing to do their research and due diligence. Now, the potential for the rental income and the capital appreciation, tax benefits, and inflation protection make real estate an attractive option for many investors. However, the high upfront costs, ongoing expenses, the lack of liquidity, and the potential risks associated with real estate investments should be considered carefully before you jump in. All right. Now, ultimately, whether or not a real estate investment is good for you will depend on your individual financial goals, your risk tolerance, and your personal investment strategy. So always check with your realtor or financial advisor. Now remember, my name's Rock Daniels. I am the Bluegrass Realtor. Smash that subscribe button so you can continue to receive my videos. All right. Have a wonderful day. Thank you so much for stopping by. I'll talk to you.